say he's only known to have the best of the best video mixes that anyone can wish to see. DJ Craft.
Move the way, man. Move the way.
It's Breeze Entertainment.
Move the way, man, lean, the way, man, rock. I like the way, wine, way, tick, way, ya top. Little nigga love riding, hella smoking a ride, no cap, what buses, whack to the gun, go silent. Do jewels for the gang crew, they ain't no rap cat team, can't move to the trident. So my bros, I'll take that risk, tryna leave man flat to the max like ironing. Wind down low, then shake it, baby, let me hear that clap. Mega wanna hold this stallion now, gotta swim in my drip like taps. Sure you wanna fuck for the Birkin, twerk that ass, let me throw some racks. I like the way gal tick, gal talk in a rave, let her hold my mash. Slide on man, then you must be sick. Bills in a whack, you can know these clips. Mum said don't buy a bust down chain, go buy a new house, invest in a crib. If I'm in West and I go buy a drip, blue 10 racks in a day, oh shit. Gal them cap for the D real quick, no daycare ting, but I'm dropping off. She like the way man move, the way man lean, the way man rock. I like the way gal whine, the way gal tick, the way gal talk. Bad B come to the crib for the D, man give it this pipe, then bop. Little nigga don't talk about riding, man slide in, you don't wanna get caught. Hey, she like the way man move, the way man lean, the way man rock. I like the way gal whine, the way gal tick, the way gal talk. Bad B come to the crib for the D, man give it this pipe, then bop. Little nigga don't talk about riding, man you don't wanna get caught.
Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. They kick back mad on the spinner, I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers, they ain't beat cool not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger, man you get done with your nigga. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. They kick back mad on the spinner, I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers, they ain't beat cool not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger, man you get done with your nigga. Brixton bully, slide with a body, man hold two from the woody. Saru gangster, niggas know me, man leave two in your hoodie. My youngsters are nutters, stay with the cutters, chef up you and your mother. 3R got nicked for Mazza, now he's doing life in the slammer. How many times I circled the up block again and again till a man got slapped with a hammer. Bro was a well-known rider, I'll hop off a bike, watch the ops and sing like Mariah. It was screw and shit to the slap that goon when shit got bun. Man ain't a liar, goon come gold like Kaya. Slap man live, I'm a well-known striker. Aim for the chest and higher. If I miss them, watch best back bulldog. Everything there get fryer. Bad bees come to the rack. I tell the Yankees be gent on lineup. Bins got nicked with a whole lip of grab. Free bro is a well-known rider. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kick back mad on the spinner, I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers, they ain't beat cool not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger, man you get done with your nigga. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kick back mad on the spinner, I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers, they ain't beat cool not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger, man you get done with your nigga. I see them back in the back when I crash this back with a off them flagging.
Take me in when I talk on beats, trust me it's more than rapping. This one's all like Ash. I see my man turn into Usain Bolt and turn into Gatlin. I can't flag with the ops, then flagging. Take me in when I talk on beats, trust me it's more than rapping. This one's all like Ash. I see my man turn into Usain Bolt and turn into Gatlin. I won't roll with my gun and not use it. I roll with my gun and I use it. I had a little dots when I butt little let off then. Cost the blue numerous shooters, the man them do this. Trust me, it's more than music. Why you think I'm not liked in the industry? Come in the street with a shooters. I see my man and my man chilling with my man. They're all wet so man don't care. If I ask them who have they bun, that's the convo done right there. Can't ask me who have you bun, I'ma look at you dumb like rare. Don't you know who I am? I'm shotgun Shane, I don't squeeze my gun in the air.
I'm serious.
Why am I shooting God for? We'll never make up no contour. This off wax from offshore, cats called back for an encore. 5 Joes 1 year, been on tour, walk in the store and bout the shop floor. White tee from Paddy, Bonjour, 10 gun is calm, I've got it. I can't flag with the ops, then flagging. Take me in when I talk on beats, trust me it's more than rapping. This one's all like Ash. I see my man turn into Usain Bolt and turn into Gatlin. I can't flag with the ops, then flagging. Take me in when I talk on beats, trust me it's more than rapping. This one's all like Ash. I see my man turn into Usain Bolt and turn into Gatlin. When I saw I was gaslight when I saw Nicky. I flew out the ride with my flicky, stiff but 50. I then skidded off quickly. Seen left red if you run and get trippy. He stayed and got bun. Must have been smoking buddies like bang that whap so BA take off. I weren't in Heathrow or Gatwick. I'm chatting about I made him runway when I slapped it. Open the back bit, stuffed it and tapped it. I'm too active. I was gonna fuck twice, but I realised that they're one there catfish. Might be with the angels if I fire this thing in my palm.
Put my life on the line for my brother. Go jail and do time for my brother, cause that's my brother.
DJ Crash.
I'll go to war for my brother. I'll light up the block for my brother. Be strong and strong for my brother, cause that's my brother. Cause that's my brother.
My family, my brother, my D's and my Auntie.
Cause that's my brother. Cause that's my brother.
My family, my brother, my D's and my Auntie.
It's just me and my brothers.
Step up on the sun, the ain't different sound, that's the rule that we live by. 2 hands on the 12 like midnight, man, pot smoke, we don't know about fist fights. I mean the weed that's business as usual with Chinese workers munching on noodles. The police keep kicking my door down, keep doing more searches than Google. I'm in a white house like Trump, but this one's riddled with nothing but bugle. I fill up my van with boxes and drop them off like I'm doing removals. Man try question what I bring to the table, I give him that look like one of our you-cool. I brought the table, the chairs and the food, now please tell me what the fuck you brought. My lifestyle's ever so gangland, my guns go bang bang, all of my brethrens. The ends is snake infested, most man value money more than friendship. If you judge a man by a car that he drives, or judge him by the clothes that he's dressed in, I can put it on my life, you ain't seen real money, furthermore I can put that on everything. Everyone claims to be loyal to his time to be loyal, and that loyalty vanishes. Everyone thinks they're a savage till they get drawn out by some real life savages. They say blood's thicker than water, and they say you can't pick and choose your family. Blood might make you related, but where I'm from, loyalty makes you family. I'll ride for my brother, put my life on the line for my brother. Go jail and do time for my brother, cause that's my brother. I'll go to war for my brother. I'll light up the block for my brother. Be wrong and strong for my brother, cause that's my brother. Cause that's my brother. My family, my brother, my D's and my Auntie.
Cause that's my brother. Cause that's my brother.
My family, my brother, my D's and my Auntie.
Just me and my
Round
brothers.
here, white boys get tan. Come Salford, bro, get bland. Me and my brothers don't rep gangs. Touch my brother, you're a dead man. When they try test like exam, we had 2 hammers up like West Ham. Point blank, we tried bed man. Came knock the door, let lead bang. Heart frozen, that skin jammed. Had to knock him out with my left hand. Go hard till I get slammed. Go jail, I don't get primed. Lock it off wherever I land. Lock it off wherever I am. 15 jails I ran. They can't say that, bro, I can. Cause for my brothers I backed it. Stamp screws in my ass it. Mr. Hugh split his fat wig. Try rap my brother so he rapped it. If you're in Hindley, go asking me and Ryan Mac on madness. If you're in Hindley, go asking me and Ryan Mac on madness. Bro, turn the estate into Baghdad with a shotgun older than your granddad. Sharp, his mum's and his dad gaff. We don't got Jordan the snapbacks for the
DJ Crash.
They can't have beef, so they sing like a dope. War is war and time will tell. Glock 32, no 3-2 bells. Get war soon if you hold these shows. Youngest or older, scream like girls. Rise this world, that's a dig up for sale. In zone, tryna cause some hell. Mates dance, cut shapes as well. They can't have beef, so they sing like a dope. War is war and time will tell. Glock 32, no 3-2 bells. Get war soon if you hold these shows. Youngest or older, scream like girls. Rise this world, that's a dig up for sale. If I crash this car on a glide, don't worry about a car getting dented. If I jump, I'll swing my shank. Pierce man's lungs and I fucking mint it. Stack my bread, then I gotta invest it. Waps on decking it, I test it. TP gang from the deepest trenches. Get back where I get back and then benches. Hold up, wait, I ain't finished this sentence. 4 waps up, this smoke squad settings. Jump out gang, put the ops on pendants. 15 inch for the Glocks, my preference. 5 man deep, that's perfect attendance. But the ops keep hurdling fences. Don't ask me personal questions. Ching man down, I'm jerking them endless.
Blacked out GLA or Mocha. Me and Ness in a broke down Honda. Spin that whip if I see me a upper. Call back up, chinged in proper. Samurai sword, cuts like a chopper. Bro with the Glock, fill it with copper. Got a live corn for an upper. They don't wanna see what I got in my locker. Them man there just talk on the gram. I get round there in a ding dong van. Looking for him, most old cool fam. Slide that door, young G go ham. Pray to the 4-4 ting don't jam. Raid that aim 99, no Sam. I'm on the up block tryna rise and tan. I'm on the up block tryna rise and tan.
I got bare girl round, jiggy on decking. Got the jiggy on decking. Just stay got the blicky and quef. No way, still get chef. Don't move right, you all get left. Shots get beat from the 9 and tech. Baddie, give drops in. Flick it, that's blades in necks. Who's that man throwing up? You can get left like the Christmas goals. Drugs, money, it comes from the coast. White like Tommy and brown like St. Patrick. Niggas get lit like I'm like my matches. Shots get sent, we don't wait for no catches. Fresh out the box and it's automatic. Tell the driver, stop here, let me slap it. I'm on the back road told them I'm my Jack Jones, but still we crash corn at them. I beg you don't leave your friends 6 feet deep where the ops get sent. Shit gets deep and I know they're stressed cause the OTP's got loaded skins. Spin that whip, try catch me at M. Tell my young G's don't lack lad. Julia ride, let's go on the glide. Shit gets deep when us man riding. My mother's hood when my ops get fried. Known to the pigs as a violent guy. You best not like got my zombie knife. Got no wax so the rappers a lie. Invest in shanks, still don't ride. Kidnap squad, don't rap no lie.
Free Lugavels, the Ami smells. And bitch, no, I won't cut my nails.
It's Freeze Entertainment.
DJ Crash.
Jump up, fry man. Why is he leaving his right hand? Hey, come back and back your boy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up. Who's that, my man? Jump up, fry man. Why is he leaving his right hand? Hey, come back and back your boy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up. Pull up, let it beat. Yaga yeet. Jump out, try put him in the coffin. I pray cameras don't see. I see free on ITV. If I see you and I release, please release all my G's. My next door got IPP. She got a soft spot for the gunman. Man hit that shit from the back while I pull on her tracks, babe. Say West London. Let's have fun then. We get net then run them. Shit, the gal that you want, man, done them. You're on who? Liar, come then. Man, rise at fire, bun them. Who's that, my man? Jump up, fry man. Why is he leaving his right hand? Hey, come back and back your boy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up. Who's that, my man? Jump up, fry man. Why is he leaving his right hand? Hey, come back and back your boy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up. Stuck in a dock, hickory dickory. Fuck enough gal like Quagmire, lol. Giggity giggity, gal run fuck and diggity. Laugh out loud, you're killing me. Run when man get fidgety. Man, we literally pull up and shower your pussy, Tivoli. She likes the things in life, that's fine, I'll blow them racks, it's minor. As long as she don't switch sides like Charon and freeze up the vagina. Turn his life to a timer and let that thing when they pin it's the primer. And if it ain't unknown T and them man, I don't like no other no. Who's that, my man? Jump up, fry man. Why is he leaving his right hand? Hey, come back and back your boy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up, rise this toy. Jump up. Who's that, my man? Jump up, fry man.
DJ Crash.
Look, I gave up bad no diaries, I never done 419 or fraud. Knock your phone and the like and sim in the whip with cash and I'm going up north. I straight drop cracking, boiling water. Who would've thought rap would open doors? Retaliation is a must when I butt my ops, there's no remorse.
2-7 ride out to the 5th when I come through waving that stick like that. Try ask me but the war is simple. We hate them and the boys hate us. Plus I'm in love with all of that grieving, cause every time one of them get touched, grab it, cut it, break on break. Parcel came like a rugby ball, put that in the tea and boot it. I am with all the schemes and rumours, I provide for the fiends and shooters. Cops got us on surveillance, cause and it ain't for the music. If you down for the gang, improve it. Go and show my men how to use it.
Gave up bad no diaries, I never done 419 or fraud. Knock your phone and the like and sim in the whip with cash and I'm going up north. I straight drop cracking, boiling water. Who would've thought rap would open doors? Retaliation is a must when I butt my ops, there's no remorse.
Retaliation is a must when I buck my up, there's no remorse. Trop chaud, j'suis pas comme les autres, y'a de la mousse blanche qui sort de la bouche des autres. Crack pipe overdose, j'te blesse, passe à autre chose. Arme de l'Est remplace la pose, pour éteindre la mèche gros j'explose. Take my time, quand il s'agit de représailles. J'arrache la médaille, j'fais pas de détails. Les refrains dingues, ça sort le 9. Pour garder le smile, ça take ta main. Puis une capitale, et j'décapitaille. Une capitale, je décapitaille.
Gave up bad no diaries, I never done 419 or fraud. Knock your phone and the like and sim in the whip with cash and I'm going up north. I straight drop cracking, boiling water. Who would've thought rap would open doors? Retaliation is a must when I butt my ops, there's no remorse.
They can't bar with me about war, cause I've been on more trips than Postman Pat. It's all fun and games on the internet till they see this part like flash. How has this war been tit for tat when we ride on them and they ain't come back? If I ain't chefing these dogs on the mind, then I'm serving up food in the council flat. Gotta keep my talk to a minimum, cause I can't risk my criminal benefits. That's why I don't war like Taliban. They're like pussies, Ellen DeGeneres. Touch more crime, I'm accelerate. Can't beef with a veteran. When you grip that, don't get hesitant. Keep back, control your adrenaline. Ain't in the clip, one gun in the chamber, somebody's in danger. Pull up and empty that shit on a stranger. Then it's back in the range. Burn that shit, now I'm back on the stage. Who would've thought I'd be rapping today? Bro came home with some racks his way. Told him, true, just relax and pray.
Why don't I talk? Tell him I talk, bad man I walk. Tell him man is back for the war. And I took everything, I want back for some more. Roger mi sunt în Londra, tai dinții ca loina. Sună cu un pachet toina, loyal stay Iona. Like nah, we don't play too much. When wartime we don't play too much. Nah, we don't play too much. When wartime we don't Edinta e na plot. Pasha zotës bojkot. Sună rrugë që rëbë kop. Mbledhi pare si me krop.
Tell you about bad, no diaries. I never done 419 or fraud. Knock your phone and the like and sim in the whip with cash and I'm going up north. I straight drop cracking, boiling water. Who would've thought rap would open doors? Retaliation is a must when I butt my ops, there's no remorse.
हुड़ कवाली हुड़ सफारी हिंदुस्तानी पाकिस्तानी कुर्ते में लड़की मेरी पहने साड़ी जेब भारी मैं ना बैठता खाली स्मोक मनाला बैग वाला जो महसूस किया मैंने सिर्फ वही बता रहा फ्लो अवारा शोर शराबा वो नशे में आंसू हमारा खाली पीली टाइम पास के लिए मारे बीली सूट वाले लोगों से डील भी ले ली गांधी बेंच यूरो पाउंड से पत्ते ढीली फक्त चीनी स्पाइस मुझे दो डाइस मुझे दो डच वैली बम्बई का यार तू रख मुझे दे पैसा
The things that I done with Jeezy, I pray that it never gets seen in court. No face, no case. No face, no case. I do bad face, gotta see me abroad. Yeah. I sure you once Christian New York, I made a whip match with a kitchen fork. Man, he on demon time, need an extender, no extension cord. As a kid, no, I never liked going to school, fell in love with money and guns.
It's Freeze Entertainment.
DJ Crash.
I can't even talk on the drills we've done, cause the drills we've done might get me nicked. I ain't tryna buck into PC Smith, big ying on my hip and he knows where it is. Last time that I cut from the Sid on the strip, next day took trips with a stick. One tripped and he nearly got hit, now broski's pissed, get rid of that drip. Fuck it, we gotta get rid of them gums. Swinging my Anglo arms, 3 A6J's reading the Psalms. I can never die and it ends like new flavour, fling it in pot. Pagans run from the gang, get dropped. Pyrex water is looking like Voss and I trap me prof in this thing, I'm a boss.
Got pulled by me. Got pulled by me. Got pulled by me and the aggro elbow did high knees. I don't know about being a victim. I never got my big rams, but I refuse to grip on the kitchen. Chingam, I won't get caught in a slip thing. Dip my shank up in humans, itch it deep and do the job right. I ain't got time for a fight, just back my blade for the cranberry Sprite. What you know about dipping your shank in shit, trying to wet and infect chung man? What you know about sitting in back of the cab, got 10 Rambos in a bag?
When their block gets spun, one gun shot from the Glock get done. You don't want to get bung, get lighted up like the party's ton. How can you say it's not beef when that's your G's and my gang made you run and loose put 2 in your brethren's back? That's 2. Are you fucking dumb? Must be smoking scud. He ain't ever draw blood, no he ain't. But I still had red in my eyes that day on your block with the CHG1s. Cool one, you gave him more than a beat and I left him bleeding and TSG come. YP soaked up a pack, he cunt. And the gang said nicely done.
Violent goons, vigorous men, step trying to drench, put man on the bench. 28 inch, don't care if your henchman bought up your sibling, cousin and friend. Glide with a stick on a 9mm, trying to feed real men, hot slugs and French. I was on the front line, you was in bed, them gems just snappers, smoke on blem. I fuck up the beat and I let wax beat, but the ops take pills cause they're way too stressed. Call me a surgeon, I open chest when I unclip chefs, make a youth digest. It's a blue story and it's tragic, when I see magic I'll do him like Vex. Head, neck, back or chest, when I swing this shit, my intent is death.
I don't call me a KSOT with 3 Rambos and it still got dropped. What you know about voodoo, NFA, next day, thank God. Fuck that, no man, no, I thank Satan. True says blatant, I do it a lot. 1, 2 offerings to my God, then rest of the day gets carried on. If I hop at the ride with Cuban guys, bro, don't run, don't.
Have you ever done sat in a bando, looked at the cats and felt so sick? Have you ever done grip on a Rambo, got no sheath, it's cutting your dick? Got war with a pagan, staying equipped. Back in your yank and dipping up pricks, taking their soul and doing up bricks. 666. Have you ever done sat in a bando, looked at the cats and felt so sick? Have you ever done grip on a Rambo, got no sheath, it's cutting your dick? Got war with a pagan, staying equipped. Back in your yank and dipping up pricks, taking their soul and doing up bricks. 666. It's voodoo living and juju dippings. I grip on my Anglo and give it a swing. Man know me, I'm a well-known pagan, living all mad with my juju sins. Everyone loves talk about violence, but violence is nowhere they're on. They just wanna rap and blow off their songs. I just wanna crash and take away sons. How many man been got ran off and left their bro, their bruise? So why do they hop on tracks in the booth? What do you mean your bro didn't off his goose? I banged, kicked and stamped on him and my Jordan F's all looking at loose. Then got away, I'm lucky loose. Have you ever done sat in a bando, looked at the cats and felt so sick? Have you ever done grip on a Rambo, got no sheath, it's cutting your dick? Got war with a pagan, staying equipped. Back in your yank and dipping up pricks, taking their soul and doing up bricks. 666. Have you ever done sat in a bando, looked at the cats and felt so sick? Have you ever done grip on a ramble? Got no sheath, it's cutting your dick. Got war with a pagan, staying equipped. Back in your yank and dipping up pricks. Taking their soul and doing up rich. 666. If you saw what I did that day in park, you'd stay at home. I backed my blade, I grabbed his neck, I splashed him down, I felt his bones. Call me a psycho madman, no regret when I hold like a Batman.
My killers ain't taking no payment, they said it's 3-point, I'm out there awful. Gun a nigga down, drop a dress, RP, little fight for that drip. Oh, we know run down, go skits, let my Uda catch him lacking and they hopping out the whip. See all that hate through these Cardis. Kodak fresh home for party. Casamigos don't sip no Bacardi. Rapper Brooklyn like Biggie and Hardy. Grab an AR with the scope, pull up with coat. Now he a ghost. Kill a op to make a toast. Hit a op cheap while she driving the boat. Stuffing the stick in the glizzy. Clip came see-through just like this. Police gon' spin to these bitches. Spider-Man, how about the bitch? Catch a body, then hit up the jeweler. I got 20 blue tips in a Ruger. Back then used to flock out the Uber. Off a scooter, the maneuver. Can't respond to no nigga that gave his whole crew up. Goofies, niggas stole all the drip, act like they never knew us. Got a bad yellow bitch that'll line you from Cuba. She gon' swing me the adder, we pulled up and smoked them like hookah. Niggas ain't spinning shit, they just type with computers. And my last name Blick, so I'm picking the tool up. Blick. My stepper gon' brush him if I press the button, too drippy to scuffle. The blick in the duffel, it came with a muzzle, so why would I touch it? Diamonds, dancing, flooded, we don't turn nothing into something. Niggas be capping, bluffing, tweet, that's a hole in your muff. My stepper gon' brush him if I press the button, too drippy to scuffle. The blick in the duffel, it came with a muzzle, so why would I touch it? Diamonds, dancing, flooded, we don't turn nothing into something. Niggas be capping, bluffing, tweet, that's a hole in your muff.
DJ Crash.
Too sauce, hopped out the rave, hopped in a Porsche. New Porsche in this race. She said she don't love me, why she still get named? I'm a bad man, baby, I'm Jamaican. Yeah, yeah. Tonight we don't give a fuck. Tonight we don't really care. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Tonight we don't give a fuck. Tonight we don't really care. Hold on. Wait. I'm tryna bleed the block. I know you heard the shots. I be bugging tryna murder ops. Hey, I got an itch in the flock. When you see me, you better move hot. You know who call the shots. From the bottom, but now we on top. How was you still sleep? Now they loving used to hate me. And my kicks clean. Ain't nobody ever had these. Crack it. No lacking, no I pack it. Can't have it. You know we super savage. Wait. Hold on. I'm feeling way too saucy. Too sauce. Hopped out the rave, hopped in a Porsche. New Porsche in this race. She said she don't love me, why she still get named? I'm a bad man, baby, I'm Jamaican. Yeah. Tonight we don't give a fuck. Tonight we don't really care. Hold on. Yeah. Tonight we don't give a fuck. Tonight we don't really care.
DJ Crash.
Wait, whoa. Yeah, ask your bitch, she know. Ask your sis, she know. I get high while she get low. Yeah, wait. I still keep a pole. I'm still on the road. Red lights, we still on go. Yeah. Wait, brand new whip, let's race. Brand new ice escape. She so wet, I'm in a lake. Yeah. Hold on, and that's on gang we spray. That's on gang we pay. We count racks all through the day. Yeah. Hold on, and grandma told me save, but I told grandma I can take this money to the grave. Yeah. Tonight we don't give a fuck. Tonight we don't really care. I'm feeling way too saucy. Too sauce. Hopped out the rave, hopped in a Porsche. New Porsche in this race. She said she don't love me, why she still get named?
My man is scoring free kick, but me and the H came back with a leveler. When I'm gonna get love, I get hate in my city, young babe, I can't go to the reservoir.
Lager. Did have my air plat like Spragger, had to get cut, I was feeling para. Can't put faith in this Reebok jammer, I got more trust in this kitchen stabber. The girl them say their lingo's madder, she said, hey, where did you get that grammar? Lager. Did have my air plat like Spragger, had to get cut, I was feeling para. Can't put faith in this Reebok jammer, I got more trust in this kitchen stabber. The girl them say their lingo's madder, she said, hey, where did you get that grammar? Lager. Why's my man holding up traffic, produce my thing like why is nobody moving? There's
like 12 hours stuffed in this matic. Don't react fast, then you gon' see a shooting. I don't even care about cars, but I'm in the bag, so I got the Lambo to cruising. Insta famous thing in my passy. Said she's a baddie, I told her to prove it. Just asked to survive, same time I see two friends go down simultaneously. I just heard something sound like a shot, but nothing got knocked, come aiming at me. I see gal in my comments or press, saying I'm dancing, it's crazy to see. Long time I ain't chop out no shots, I provide the rocks that Jamie receives. Inclusion and hour detention for school set me up for 23 bang up. 100 racks, that's all bro, catch up, say man hating, go halves on tobacco. Broski don't turn to a paco, 10% capo, show beam with a lagger. Right now it's not lagger, it's lagger. Grease up the boyo so it don't jam. Lager. Did have my air plat like Spragger, had to get cut, I was feeling para. Can't put faith in this Reebok jammer, I got more trust in this kitchen stabber. The girl them say the lingo's madder, she said, hey, where did you get that grammar? Lager. Did have my air plat like Spragger, had to get cut, I was feeling para. Can't put faith in this Reebok jammer, I got more trust in this kitchen stabber. The girl them say the lingo's madder, she said, hey, where did you get that grammar? Lager. Why so serious? Bitch, stop tripping, best suck this stick if you're on your period. Have you ever had head on the M-way, bro? It's a crazy experience. Who's that in the old plate Prius? Two white men looking all mysterious. I'm curious. If I post, don't call my phones on Snap, then I just got bagged or I just had a madness. Can't stop that shot after I licked it, I might not clock that the stone's been tampered. I knew how to mix down good way before Northwest and Y3 got mastered. My kitchen ain't fit for consuming food, man, it wouldn't pass the hygiene standards. If you come and work hard for the week, don't expect the full wage, you get statutory sick pay. Little man getting excited, he's seen 6 bills and it ain't even midday. He had Angie waiting for hours, she's phoning my phone like this is a piss day. Where I'm from, everyone's got a machine, so I'm not bothered when man miss gym day. Lager. Did have my air plat like Spragger, had to get cut, I was feeling para. Can't put faith in this Reebok jammer, I got more trust in this kitchen stabber. The girl them say the lingo's madder, she said, hey, where did you get that grammar? Lager.
Need people like me, you can break the fucking fingers. Say that's the bad guy, got that rich man energy. I make money then blow it like bad. When the band all doing up trap life, whipping up cola, I'm whipping up bricks. Like look at the flick of the wrist, I'm in a club getting white wasted, you ain't on nothing so you ain't on us. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. She just wants to dance and shake her bum. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. Vinnie Jones played me in lot stop. I got 2 smoking barrels for a pagan. So the L's man's cops get taken for ages. I'll put the coin Caucasian. I'm never on, I've been OT, bopping, he loves my music even though we robbed him. I grab a man's ice and take it off him and leave a man standing there looking defrosted. My heart stone cold Steve Austin, there ain't no love around here, it's just business. I bought packs overseas in LA, now I need to get them across like Christian Dior looks good on my skin, but I still look good in a cheap like tracksuit. My face is cut, but a back looks mad, so we smashed and dash, ain't stand like tattoo.
Different kettle of fish, it's really a different shot. These youths ain't on it, my ski that bullet, honest. Ain't tryna talk too much. Flip that script, scur and skid. Shell out the whip like Mario Kart. Why is man wearing a vest like bros on his neck like home run bar? Course is frying, corn's been flying. With my dog like Stewie and Brian. Riding a lot, Fetty what? Use one eye when he press that iron. I got gorgeous slaves that give man brain and they think they're base. Using school when I was with cats. Ain't no loving on T.R. Straight.
You need people like me, so you can point your fucking fingers. Say that's the bad guy, got that rich man energy. I make money then blow it like bagpipes. I'm in a bando doing up trap life, whipping up cola, I'm whipping up bricks. Like look at the flick of the wrist, I'm in a club getting white wasted, you ain't on nothing so you ain't on us. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. She just wants to dance and shake her bum. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. I just got a call from the elbow. He wants to meet up and talk some business. He said he knows one brother that knows one brother with a house of a load of bricks in Wicked. Now my man's watering and dribbling. He sent the address, now I'm grabbing my mask. He's on my loan like Kevin, I'm plotted outside like Harry and Marv.
You heard Morris ain't on nothing, man.
Either pull up or shut up, my gun go brock, I'll steal and cop, I'll roll, get lock off, that's new and borough. I'm still in the hood with the nutters and West Ham shirts and LV runners. I do more for my young butt than his own dad does us on my mother.
Who's man preying? Touch me and then ski go skiing. She just wanna shake her bum and free it. Family dodgy, everyone see it. That girl dead on ski, I won't cheat it. Gucci and Fendi, I mean it. I can't get ching, that's wet, not seasick. Monterey season is news. Still get loose if you talking loose. 4-pack floor and you hear that boom. Them man capping, that shit ain't true. I rip that up like a right back. No wonder them boy don't like man. I got ski in the cut, just try man. I got ski in the cut, just try man.
You need people like me, you can break your fucking fingers. Say that's the bad guy, got that rich man energy. Make money to blow it like bagpipes. I'm in a band all
DJ Craft.
Are you down? Look, you don't know what you started. I pop a brick or retarded. I got the driven kid straight from the force. It's a D.O.D.O. They know where it started. Yeah, she want a Netflix to chill, fuck off the pill, go in the store, shop in Dior, come to my crib, take off my shirts, pop on my perks, and sleep in my drawers. You talking too much, baby, pour up a four. We both bust a nut, now leave me alone. When we in Miami, we stay at the Mondrian. We pull up to live in the colony. Welcome her to the party, the after parties, after party, then party again. 100 bitches, hardly any man. In my room is where the party began. They take a flight to Bora Bora, it's time to catch a tan. Look, it's a few of my niggas that sit there stuck up in the jam. Few of my niggas, I can show you how to vibe, but I can't be a man. Shoot for the stars, aim for the moon. You ain't cool. You ain't cool. Say you cool.
Smoke the woo. I play with the chicken, it's blue. We mob, then tie, no shoot. You play with the group, we gon' shoot. Me and Dior, I'm in Prada. We rich, we came from the bottom. I play like a drop. Me go surgical with the new chopper.
100,000 on me, flex more. We got all the work we made.
DJ Crash.
Pull up in the party with my chargy, no paparazzi. I'm with my army like kamikaze. I'm a yardie, cause my hair's coolie. She thinks I'm Marley. Up front like Vardy, shoot at the crowd, hide your Barbie. Bad man don't suck panani, man suck them breasts and make a honey. Need to hit that one more time. Old thing but the pom-pom's mine. I'm with Wayne now, she thinks I'm 9. That's my killie, bro, my slime. Spin the block, yo, check that right. Stretch my arm and let one fly. Back my ting, rude boy, don't hide. Copper lead clip filled with bind. Killie with a milli, get busy. She won't get friggy, pam willy, get giddy. Real bad man can't take me for Billy. Is me killer, cat her baby. For the culture like chicken lippy. Do my dance like Shiggy, show my gun Lena. She won't get friggy. Shorty said rush your way too litty. And let me keep it real. Tell me who else went plat off Joe. Love a brown in like ZZ Mill. Taking my shot, go straight for the kill. Unless it makes sense, can't sign no deal. Don't get your head back pilled. Operate the ting with skill. Pull up on me and you might get chilled. But I never worked in retail. Got like 100 bookings in my email. Mary Stitch, yeah, she loved the detail. Run them down and I love their females. Gassed up like petrol. Real bad man from the ghetto. Hear the sound of that echo. Bullet blow at your marrow. Are you double S? North gals, pom-poms the best. 10-10 ups, excellent. Yang man, creep and quang. Make your car dash like Shan. We're already like Taliban's. In the field like Afghanistan. 808 kick like Jackie Chan.
Fuse, the engineer.
Blit that, body one blip that. Gunshot, fuck up your six-pack. Swing that, ying that, keep, don't bend that. Shit get hot when I bing that. Zing that, bro, spin that. We ain't tryna hear about get back. Never. Tech that, he couldn't tech that. I should've just dig that, his head back.
Spliff in my mouth, gun in my hip, one in the clip. My Dior, your chick. Talk to grandma, she like my pick. Cutest face and she nice and tip. That's your BM, she's in my DMs. Can't take man for a punk like CM.
Numerous man got ripped. Shit, next time get bun in your wig. He nearly got bun in his wig. Piss bear man just running and shit.
Take off your drawers. Left is your face. No.
DJ Crash.
Yo. I back your bro, don't spectate. Watch when I dig that, his best mate's chest plate. White tent, wanna lock off that estate. I bet say if corn get fling, that's red tape. Violent, let man tone it. I had spend that like, where's my waps? Course I stole it, she chat too much, but the next one hold it. Told them don't get comfy and go bro. Rock that dots, had a back bit open. Left in a ring, now the sweets them swollen. Now I'm rolling, handgun shells golden. 5-door hatchback lurking that 5-man dashback might be a hashtag lay low bro, just ching that. Yo, I really wanna kick this gas bag. I told little Steezy to go be the lookout. Cause I ain't tryna lose this telly. Ask unknown team, my celly. If I had my man looking at Nelly, I ching my man on house block 4. Turn that wing to a hotspur. No Tottenham, but it came from a farm. Say size of my arm, it's a Mossberg. See it up right there and get chingy. My gun them with me, my gun them fimmy. Give me my finny and let me get flingy. You see it? You see me? We got a big dilemma. Bait me real bro, don't know better. Look at bro like it's whatever. You let that go like it's whatever. Bait me roll like it's whatever. It's whatever. Yo, Whatever the weather, I'm stepping whenever, I'm madder than ever. I'm ruining the sweater, put 2 in the retta. They're copying me cause I'm doing it better. Left my block with a pom-pom rever. Can't come here to the killie, them debba. One hand in, can't get the left leg out. They're drawing me in, they don't want me to step up. Wait, that's him, I swear. Where? Right there. Jump out, try put him in a coffin. Pop back in and swerve. Where's my yak? I'm burst. Last night was a blur. Free the watch. Burr. I'm about to go clear. See it up right there and get chingy, chingy, chingy. My gun then with me, my gun then fit me. Give me my thingy and let me get flingy. You see it? You see me? We got a big dilemma. Bait me real, bro, don't know better. Look at bro like
I turn the pain into passion. I'm married to fashion. I'm married to fashion. Look, I turn the pain into passion. I'm married to fashion.
It's whatever, it's whatever, it's whatever.
I turn the pain into passion. I'm married to fashion. She got the fatty, get her a patty. While I'm dipping through traffic. If I want it, I'ma have it. Shock a nigga, static. Ass fat, plastic. Cold stories that get tragic. I turn the pain into passion. I'm married to fashion. She got the fatty, get her a patty. While I'm dipping through traffic. If I want it, I'ma have it. Shock a nigga, static. Ass fat, plastic. Cold stories that get tragic. Cut a nigga like I'm Corey. The way we trapping, think we touring. Look, bad bitch got a horn. The way I hit it, got a snoring. Too fly, soaring. She said she love when I record it. Back out, no warning. Let me skate off in a foreign. Back out, jumping. My demons, they don't got a conscience. Slam a nigga, Onyx. Take off, Sonic. Shake it, earthquake. Said she want me in the worst way. C6, I gotta escape. I'm on my bully, MJ. Look, sipping Patron while we in Patron in the new. C6 on my body, they cannot stop me. Get the digging in the coupe, everything copacetic. Catch your body and then forget it. Holding for ransom, leverage. Down Perion for the beverage. I turn the pain into passion. I'm married to fashion. She got the fatty, get her a patty. While I'm dipping through traffic. If I want it, I'ma have it. Shock a nigga, static. Ass fat, plastic. Cold stories that get tragic. I turn the pain into passion. I'm married to fashion. She got the fatty, get her a patty. While I'm dipping through traffic. If I want it, I'ma have it. Shock a nigga, static. Ass fat, plastic. Cold stories that get tragic.
So many shows last year, my mash bare work, now they can't afford me. Young and rich, but their engine's big, so they won't insure me. The lady out there told me it's way too much, go for something smaller. I said nah, it's a myth, I'm trying to make the estate know when I cut that corner. Get love on the streets, cause they doing me when I duppy a beat. Flick on the rhythm and put it to sleep, and I stay in my zone when I'm cooking the heat. Struggle for you, but it's not into me. Used to run for the bus, now I run to the peak. Coming from nothing, it's lovely to see, so when man wanna envy, it's cutting me deep. Today I ain't moved one muscle, I just made 60 racks in my sleep. That's more than your ex's yearly wage, I got his monthly wage in my jeans. Safe to say I get paid, but I just can't say the same for these neeks. Still no chain on my neck, G, I just build paper planes and make peas. Talking shit, can't step in the war zone when I just spent your advance on my wardrobe. Getting grown on your phone trying to talk loads, but if it's road, best watch for your jawbone. Got a 3.5 in a raw cone, riding my wave, get lost in my thoughts though. Kinda mad back then I just saw notes, now my accountant sending my sort code. Broke up fresh off the lot, no test drive, dodging the X5, making the peps fly. True say you gotta get bread, so I told him take time and get your head right. He said bro, I'm just trying to get by, still on the ends, you're living your best life. Only right that I give him a check, can't see if I'm stressed or I end up a dead guy. UFO came from Mars with a pack of smoke, got a spaceship hotbox. All these pounds in a whip, man, build up a spliff, then pipe me up for. Never bang one mash in my life, but I'll bang man out, no doubt if it pops off. And set man do pop smoke, so if war is war, then the show gets locked off. Today I ain't moved one muscle, I just made 60 racks in my sleep. That's more than your ex's yearly wage, I got his monthly wage in my jeans. Safe to say I get paid, but I just can't say the same for these neeks. Still no chain on my neck, G, I just build paper planes and make peas.
Today I moved one muscle, I just made 60 racks in my sleep. DJ Crash. Safe to say I get paid, but I just can't say the same for these DJ Crash. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah, we look on foot. Heads on whips, the truth must speak, no flips. Got links to the wall, got tools on the streets, so come round, get whipped. If I run my down real quick, giving me lip, you're taking a piss, they flexing, viz, no boss, no sticks. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah, we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no flips. Got links for the wall, got tools on the streets, so come round, there, get whipped. Told my bro, go get him, hands on my heart and he up, get wetters. If you buck into gang, don't leg it, fuck it. If see it up, my chef it. Hop at the ride, bad man, get stretched. B2, do up your throat like Lemsip. If not, you gon' aim your chest. Is doing what quick, then slide to the next clip. Man, really do trap. Gang fly OT with a batch, come home with something like over a rack. Save that man, invest in waps, dots, spinners, they all go bang. Beefers, man, it must be my go, and that's the. Now his face got whacked, and that's the. His face got whacked. Slap with a tank when we're right on the block. Scream two of your brethrens drop, fuck. Pull up on them on dumper, worse, we think my man in the trunk. Half of your team been touched, but you still wanna chat and a tough. Keep that energy live on the flesh, cause if I catch you, you're done. I can run man down real quick for giving me lippy, taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of liars, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the war, got tools on the street, so come round, they get whipped. They love talk about trap, but they never seen no trap. It's facts, we really out serving cats. Linking shots at council flats. My fly OT for the cash, don't spend that man, invest in waps. Slide to the block, then banging, slide to the block where shit got stuck. Got bug coming in for the low, fly up country, got bits of both. This phone line keeps on twerking, the cats keep coming, it's life in O. Keep a big nice shank on my hip when I told these block, get down these foes. If he sees all dressed in black, while he's round that fish, you best do 10 toes. I can run man down real quick for giving me lippy, taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of liars, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the war, got tools on the streets, so come round, they get whipped. I took one man down real quick for giving me lippy, taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of liars, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs.
DJ Crash.
Take that risk and go independent, I just turned down 6 figures. Different. On the phone you was loud, now we're in real life and you're sounding timid. Right. The young bull chef and swing it, the kids these days aren't down for swinging. Selling them party drugs, I'm the one that got the party pinging. That boy got caught out slipping by the popo and he started singing. These days I've been feeling different on my solo, I don't need no bringing. Why the man they're chasing bitches, I put in the work, I don't need no women. They don't wanna see me in my bag, they're pissed that I keep on winning. They used to sleep on my thing, put in the work and I keep on grinding. Got my cake up, I paid it straight up, I therefore don't need co-signing. Demon time, I'm moving quiet, I'm putting up lean in Sprite. We invest in white and turn on lines, you boys just being online. Take that risk and go independent, I just turned down 6 figures. It's different. On the phone you was loud, now we're in real life and you're sounding timid. Right. The young bull chef and swing it, the kids these days aren't down for swinging. Selling them party drugs, I'm the one that got the party pinging. I just heard a knock on the door, it's 6 in the morning, my heart be skipping. Feds in the crib, G checking, they're asking question, my RJ tripping. I'm screaming free, all of my ones locked, fuck it, the clock keep ticking. Imagine we grew near a OT spot, I think that a lot be different. They're calling, I gotta be quick, I'm bagging up, yeah, in a lottery ticket. I can't trust man that chat like gal, I'm thinking they're probably snitches. I don't wanna play things safe, 9 times out of 10 I'd probably risk it. They're showing me love right now, but if I was broke, they'd probably switch it. Take that risk and go independent, I just turned down 6 figures. Different. On the phone you was loud, now we're in real life and you're sounding timid. Right. The young bull chef and swing it, the kids these days aren't down for swinging. Selling them party drugs, I'm the one that got the party pinging. They try crack my style, I turn back round on a quick reroute. Bad B wanna eat uptown, I'm too laid back, she gon' figure me out. Don't make me waste my time, if I come out, is it worth my while? I don't wanna hear no Samsung ring, I don't wanna hear that sound. The kids these days don't care about getting a bag, they just care about clout. In the trap tryna run out that bag, you're out there tryna run man down. If you get caught with grub, good luck, they're not tryna hear man out.
DJ Crash.
I get called up when they need that gunman. Men. If I clocked him, I would've tried dump him. Put him in a box, make him rest with his dumb friend. Up boys talk, but they do not ride. It's a shame cause the boy did die. Made hot 2 weeks on a roll. Go check out the news, 2 of them turn, yeah.
This ain't UFC, when I swing these hands as a shave, I grip, get dipped. Them man know we the ops, so I'm lost while they're dipping innocent kids. It is cool, it's him, his mum will be pissed. Broski's down for the causes, shank no bend. There's going straight in, or put him in 2 like my f***ing kid.
Life for the neck, cause your works ain't legit. Man run when I rise that midget. Butt shot, corn head back, man fill it. Stood up, bowed, finished. I can't sleep when the demons visit. They get scared in the night, I fidget. Why you lie when you know who did it? Skidden, did it, rise and kill.
In the polo, switch that to a Volvo. They see your face and he keep it go-go. No mojo when I buck into big tools, then I don't want this go. They wanna hear these bros, cause this ain't church or COD. It's a World War 3. Come outside, fuck a hide and seek. Fuck a hideout, we ride out. They claim the OJ, let's find out. She wants to change me from this lifestyle. Don't hate me, blame me for the nights out. On the up block, parked up with the lights out. Creep up close, he knows it's
It's time now, with it knocked out. This beef can't die down. He got shaved and saved like his iCloud.
999, it's an emergency. Civilians screaming out, stay with me. Step on the gas, can't stop for police. No, we ain't done by no Wolverine.
Air ambulance, doctors at the scene. Can't say names, but they know what I mean. Pull up on beat, drill and repeat. Can't go home till the mission's complete.
You know I can't sleep on vials. I don't care how long it takes, someone's gonna end up in an Insta bio. It was me at the start of the year trying to keep that trend of a new up packing. I've had enough of splash and bragging, me man down and laugh for the damage.
Do it for the foes, yeah, do it for the dads. Don't do it for the hoes, yeah, do it for the bag. Bro said it don't work, I made it bang. Asked Juice back the deuce we had. Piss, caught me a up boy, rasted loud him, so I had to loud the twat. It's crash, put this one in your back, have your man then pouring, yeah.
Man got blit like he's darker than me. You ain't half of a G, can't bargain with me. But that back, come and arch it for me. I got artillery, it's not hard to believe. The poor miss man that marginally. When we send that back, that's a face on the teeth. I'm waiting for man, he ain't waiting for me. Try wet man's legs like he's taking a pee.
The gun sign looks good in the vid, but he never took that risk. Of course she fucks with the Crips. This bad bitch from the You told her your blade goes in, but it's still virgin like a Catholic bitch. On the phone in his bad pipe pin, I think that the trident tapped my sim.
Rack 5 pulled up in a ride, so me and J-Sav hopped in for the glide. Tryna drill man, bait my amigos on a Friday with about 5 guys. I can't leave no trace like AJ, it's a Mayday if I let that rise. King of the 5+5. But my heart's with a double one. You don't wanna see C-Dove lurking with a 4-4, that's a lethal. Shit splash, pick up the ops for fun. Throw out my Krosky, horrid one. But with TY, I find it fun. Rip through coast, that's punctured.
And they never touch my skin, but the ops them know what I done did. Can't lie like him, I know you heard, but you can like him. Son always minus him, pass the backwood and I'm lighting him. How the odds got time to diss, if we get a wiped out like the virus did.
I got put on the wing with ops, I still stepped out with a string on my sock. Most man would have ripped that Volvo, not the Volvo, see parked in the block. Had 5 man up in the dock, mum shocked me, saw that sword in my prop. It was tensed on time and block, I stepped to a mosque with a rock on my sock. Had to reach coffee to do that drill. I love to throw me yourself too real, tryna make you spill. I don't know how the pagans feel, but I know that you're
DJ Crash.
It's my time now and it's happening. Me, I'm just one seaside boy who sat in his ding dong rapping. $250,000 a week and all I'm doing is being me, I ain't acting. I come a long way from bunking the train to link bigs and get my tracks in. This shit didn't happen overnight, now the gal come overnight, it's a mad thing. But I've still got bubble wrap on my windows, my heating's 40. I won't change one time for the clout, same way I still get my vids of cootie. I'm with the same friends from school till we got kicked out, the young boys were naughty. We roll up to the shops, get jiggy, slept with 1 mil, I think she was 40. Broski said, you've done it for really? I said, bruv, don't be silly, just cause you hear me on radio, shit ain't changing, bro, fucking love my city. Get a big bag of chips and lick with a chick, not rich but I'm still with Millie. I think cause I'm 5'6", she gon' be surprised at the sight of my big slim waist, and I know she knows how to use it. She said, I knew you before music, I don't want you to think I'm some groupie. Such a cutie, and I don't believe her, but it don't make no difference. Give a fuck by your ear, as long as you're fitting, it's clear that I'm gonna be hitting. See, I got a mission, and I'm on my way to complete it. I don't care for the dead sneak dissing, nothing can stop me, trust me, I mean it. Lick the plate, clean it, my hunger's still there, I'm still fiending for the spotlight, young but I ain't got time, I want it now when I need it. Just had a fuck off phone call with YK for an hour. He said, mashallah, my brother, you deserve this, now it's in your power. It weren't that long ago when I had no hot water, I could've used my shower. So I don't know why the fuck, man, I'm making rumours up, you look sour. Baddie in my peripheral, with a batty you're big in my visual. But my chat has it failed so miserable, cause she said that I'm travelling typical. When I get my bag bit, I'll pick 'em all. My ex-girl's dad calls me despicable, and it's true, but I don't give a monkeys. I do what I want when I want, have fun, and that's why they love me. Cheeky chappy, about to make it rapid, am I dreaming? Punch me. There's drugs and bandos too round here, I ain't capping about my fuckery. When you're older, short on bread, what the fuck do you think he sends you countries? You muppet, don't tell me what I've done, bruh, shut it. I still think that you spew in a bucket, you prick. Why you think when I drink I chug it? Yo, I love it. Why? Cause all that shit make me who I am, I don't really understand this world, no accident, bruh.
Creeping, Poto creeping like cheapers, creepers, sleeping. If he move on, my niggas gon' sleepin', reaching. Don't reach for the chain, my niggas gon' teach him.
DJ Crash.
Creeping, Poto creeping like cheapers, creepers, sleeping. If he move on, my niggas gon' sleepin', reaching. Don't reach for the chain, my niggas gon' teach him, teach him.
I only fuck her on the weekend. Big Henny with him drinking. I should've gone shoot him for no reason. We winning, we playing defense. Look, they couldn't clip this. Yeah, nigga try to diss this. Running the time long distance. but he made it home for Christmas. Because emergencies, leave a nigga in 3rd degree. Boom! Yeah. I can't let a nigga dirty me. Start your farm. I know you heard of me.
And I'm ready, baby. The ops would've murdered me. But thinking I get to me, I bought my sticker with me. I went out shopping at Tiffany's. Bitch named Tiffany, took her to Tiffany. I had to bust on her pinky ring. Bitch ain't sympathy, showing no sympathy, but she made an infamy. Bad bitch Emily, bad with her memory. I like she don't remember me.
They say it's lit with me. Pull up and get with me. I got it on me and it's itching me. I fold a nigga like a chicken wing. Yeah. That nigga a different breed. He can't stand me. And he can't sit with me. It's a collision. That nigga Crip still crippin'. Yeah. Big drip. That nigga drip still drippin'.
Hold on. Missing. I heard still missing. Going to mission. I don't need no permission. Little nigga better pay attention, cause we gon' slide. Bow, bow. And hot them blistering. One folk of the minds. Turn him to a shotgun victim. 100 shots combined. Nigga, that's 100 my thighs missing. Creeping. Pulled up creeping like cheaper. Sleeping. If he move on my niggas, sleeping. Reaching. Don't reach for the chain, my niggas gon' teach him.
DJ Crash.
Yo, was young, try bang at AC. I tried the thing and it blocked my card. Oh lord, I trap, but it ain't that smart. Cause bro done half a M of fraud. Get bun in the name of trust. I'm too paranoid, can't drop my guard. Couldn't believe they locked my dog. I feel it, boy, it hurt me hard. What's ours is ours. Your marks, get ready and go. I won't come last. I'm charged, I'll do what I need to do, but I won't suck ass. I had to stay at my brethren's yard. They didn't think that I'd come this far. One shot to shine, I'll close my eye. If I get one chance, I'll hit the target. Fresh out the trap, my song just charted. Ain't even started, I'm not in my bag. When you step into town, gotta pull up your pants, fam. Pull up your pants, don't sag. Ain't serving no random cap, bro. Got sent can and he came home tap. It ain't no cap, I'm the hardest out, even they know that. Let me talk my shit, still walk my strip. I bought my whip, I ran mileage up and took that trip. Let me talk my shit, still walk my strip. I bought my whip, I ran mileage up and took that trip. I don't chat shit when I come on the mic, I just won't waste my breath. I don't say nothing under my breath, that I won't say in my chest. Bad B when I lay in my bed, my bad, but I gotta go chase that bread. I just misplaced this, wait 1 sec, I gotta retrace my steps. Who's up next? They're saying it's cinched. What's the odds? Place your bets. Just me the name this year. Push man out of the way this year. They show so much love, it's weird. I have a feeling I'll go clear next year. I need the same deal that my man got. I had a meeting and I made it clear. Not long till I'm out of here. Funny feeling in the atmosphere. I'm sorry Mary had to interfere. I got a reload and I bag this here.
The old flow man's bringing it back. Wrap the tracks up, I'm cleaning up cracks.
My whole team getting bread and you know that. Facts. I bought the whole packages flow back. If she ain't new then she can't get a throwback. No way. I don't follow back chicks and they know that. I came true with 21 tugs in black and I let the thing clean that Kodak. My opponents are broken, they show that. Fact. If she stepped in with me, gotta hold that.
Yo, I bring that net, start flow back, throwback, no cap, that pat's low fat, Kodak. My man won't get his crow back, none of his dough back, I don't give no jack. Rule 39 stamp, Sam bro, post that. This huge chair man, go off pole that. Don't give no chat and have no whack when my snap, I gang like I'm cold.
I locked up the food for the kids like Boris. And now I let it go like Rashford. 3 SQ, 3 shanks, that's standard. Feds hate the man, them got the block angered. Stepped in the door, sat down, got pampered. Big back gal, enough weight, she's anchored. Dot chop to a half length, it's tampered. Footy don't crumble, now he's in the backwards.
Slap that PR, saw them crouch. If you save them shots like my man did, pronounce, I won't hear ouch. Been about, the ops can vouch. Been around, bring the glocks them out. Lift it up, lit the pagans down. I feel like a clown, but you know what I mean when I make man drown. Had a plug, then I would buy 100 waps. Me and AJ, 2 8-piece facts, more than 100 racks. Daps, they got shorty on tap. Weed, molly, lean, crack. I get that gun, bring the stats, then back. What is this track? Turn that off, man, that's nothing but cap.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back. Like the Yola, man's bringing it back. Wrap the tracks up, I'm cleaning up crack. Use the fly packs, I'm giving up blacks.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back. Like the Yola, man's bringing it back. Pass the soda, let me turn it to crack. Motorola, 2 phones in a track. In cunt, had plaits on my teeth. Now I got plaits on my wall. Cheese. Play with dogs and end up with fleas. Run up on me, might end up deceased. 40 on the whip, no lease. 2 40s in the whip with beams. Please, please, babes, ease. Shorty when I drop on her knees.
Feds got a plan on gold to get me. I was in yard like that, you get me. I was OT trying to hide from the X3. I wanna cop another Pepsi, they won't let me. 2 chocolates, 2 subs, 2 ABs, 2 magnums, 2 rounds, 2 babies, 2 large fries, 2 breasts, 2 gravies, 2 hand tips, 2
can't fuck with no bitch that's basic. Look at my swag, your drip is contagious. I call her Grace, the face is amazing. I did my slide, you're low like the Matrix, like they talking foul and we getting flagrant like
dripping it, baby, I'm dripping it off-white. Look at my shirt, my collar say Dior. I take a prick and fuck all night. She said she tired of sucking my meat off. Or if it's beef, then it's on site. I'm with some shooters promoting the violence. Been punching rappers, I feel like Osiris. Hollow start spreading the right. We going up lit. Listen, my flow, it gets so sick. Tired of that old shit. I can't go back to my old bitch. We get the money and stack it up. Can't fuck with that bitch, it ain't fat enough. We get the bitch and pal it up. Like tennis might give her a racket, son. You broke, you can't show a stack of son. I came with a band, I got a drum. You moving like you got the packet, son. We used to stay niggas just for fun. Everything changed when you get a gun. I thought you was tough, so why you run? I'm on the block, I just been taking it. She on my body, she just been shaking it. Too many Glocks, I just be naming it. Slide with a chop, I just start flaming it. 2 or 3 shots, I'm on that baby shit. Call up the dot, he with the gangsta shit. I pull up fight, he on that gangsta shit. I gotta die, she Panamanian love. I gotta die, she Panamanian love. Can't fuck with no bitch that's basic. Look at my swag, my drip is contagious.
Put in the work for years for this, this ain't no coincidence.
Drip is contagious, I call it grease, the bitch is amazing.
Back then when I worked so lit, now I'm lit, they're pissed.
DJ Craft.
Bad bees, they curved the kid. Back then when I weren't so lit, now I'm lit, they're pissed. Told bro, now you gotta take it slow. But he knows, try and play so he won't go lit. Went 3 for 3, now 6 for 6. Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips. Shit, they talking shit and they make me sick. I said fuck school and they made me rich. We did sell crack on the 80s ting. The jakes on us and they pray we slip. Said fuck school and I broke the law. Told little bro gotta stay in school. Telling the kids this shit ain't cool. Fuck, I'm so hypocritical. Fuck, I just missed the call. My bros in the field not volleying pools. So cocaine and molly and all. Told mum Z don't worry at all. Step in a bando, honey, I'm home. The local fiends don't vouch, he won't get served. The cat's unknown, I don't owe no, I made money alone. That bees, they curved the kid. Back then when I weren't so lit, now I'm lit, they're pissed. Told bro, now you gotta take it slow. But he knows, try and pay so he won't go lit. Went 3 for 3, now 6 for 6. Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips. Could've been in the bin if it weren't for the gloves that I had when I rapped that Riz. That kid got nicked on an amateur ting, got banged that cling, take precaution. If you knew the risk we took to get paid, you wouldn't look at me the same. My bro got the wickedest aim. We're bringing the blicky on stage. They're hating, I'm really unfazed. Haha, don't test my patience. Half of the hood they show, man, love this.
Spend one day in my shoes, don't do no more time to lose. 16 shots when the gang came through, still pissed that burnt that Canada goose. Look, all even you I do for a decent house and a plate of food. Better play, don't make the news. Look. Going up north like Pogba, Kev just stepped out of rehab last week. Still trying to score like Didier Drogba. Dan just looks like Harry Potter. Told the cats they should call him Oscar. Hit the M with 2 phones up. Now I'm trying to come back with collar. Fight it, bro. I'm a family guy like Stu, but I still gotta do it like Max from Shaw. I was on the island like Nelson Mandela. Left on the wing like Sonia. I never saw sunlight for nearly 2 years. I feel like Michael, I'm changing color. I feel like I've been in like 1,000 times. Remember all night Christmas Day on the strip, I was doing up jewels on the bike. I see mom cry tears of joy that night when I told her don't sell white. I see friends ask me from the man in question. Of course I lied. Show you my strip, get my whip, let's go on a drive. Things that I did in these back roads, can't put on no Insta live. Of course I can't. Last year I was looking at life. Got nicked by Scotland Yard with the thought I was in Glasgow doing a crime. Trust, all even you I do for the guys. Of course you don't. Mom said son don't ruin your life. Put on this mask, things gon' change like Jekyll and Hyde. Way before wax and bricks of white, it was push backs and kitchen knives. Get round there all day and get round there at night. Burn this trip if I have to, I done did that countless times. I don't know what you know about the bando, bro got rich off the county line. The plan don't do consign, but I still come back with like 2 at a time. Look, like I ain't sick of this shit. Every day I'm taking risks, got a big 3-8 when I step in the 5th. Cause on the regular niggas get pitched. T got touched 1 time and he died. Rims got touched 9 times and he lived. Road diversion, tape or strips. Yo, 10 times we were just kids. Just trust. Look, all even knew what I did. Come through like K and ruin the drip. This whack cost more than 2 in a bit. Would've thought I was legally blind. Where I came through waving a stick. Don't know why they aiming to miss. Then I won't pay for this shit. Don't spend 1 day in my shoes. Don't do 4 bags for the loot. 16 shots.
Put you in the mix. Fuck the DA told me. Keep a stick on my hip, move dollies. In the hood talking shit like you know me. Shoot, hit him up, yo, OP. Leave him leaking slowly. Shoot shots, been blocked, Ginobili. 20K up in the Duffy. Turn that nigga to a duppy. Moe got me feeling bubbly. He talk that smoke, won't touch me. He mad at his baddie, she love me. I give her the dick, she lucky. My Glocky right in the front seat. He talk that smoke, won't touch me. Turn a nigga to a duppy. Look at his braids, mushy.
Know that I'm getting money. None of these niggas can touch me. I did 30K on the road, nigga, that's fresh up a uppy. Nigga, on my op, some hoes, nigga, they broke and musty. No, they ain't getting no money, nah. Tell them kick it like rugby. If I see a op, whack a op, nigga, turn that boy to a duppy. If I move with the trays, oh, I'm rolling with Dusty. How you wanna do it? Shit can get ugly. Pussy. Yeah, I'm stuck in my ways. And I need ways to get to this money. So I gotta get paid. Trapping for days, staying with gang. Still stay on my block, rolling with gang, digging through range. Still slide on the hop, 32 shots all on my clock. 32 shots all on my clock. Roll with the ops, know you get shot.
Pussy. The DA told me, keep a stick on my hip, move dolly. In the hood talking shit like you know me. Shoot, hit him up, yo, OP. Leave him leaking, slowly. Shoot shots been blocked, Ginobili. 20K up in the Duffy. Turn that nigga to a duppy. Moe got me feeling bubbly. He talk that smoke, won't touch me. He mad at his baddie, she love me. I give her the dick, she lucky. My Glocky ride in the front seat. He talk that smoke, won't touch me. Turn a nigga to a duppy. Look at his braids, mushy. If you come walking down the 5th, then you better have your grip. Look, 30 hit him, then he flip. Look, in the trenches how we live. Free scrap at the cage, it's a rundown. 1090 to the 5th real playground. M4 lift him up, he gon' lay down. And we all from the floors, that's a playground. Send that nigga to his maker. Drip sauce, flavor. Walk down with a laser. Selling kites, get your cake up. But now we back to this gang shit. 6 souls and I'm sanctioned. Stuff a nigga in the pavement. And I'm missing my arraignment. I can't tolerate no bullshit. Shoot, be the movement. And all my niggas keep a full clip. See now abstain, do shit. See now abstain, do shit. Fuck what the DA told me. Keep a stick on my hip, move dolly. In the hood talking shit like you know me. Shoot, hit him up, yo, OP. Leave him leaking, slowly. Shoot shots been blocked, Ginobili. 20K up in the Duffy. DJ Turn that nigga to a Duffy.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut through with a local touch. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Look, lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue tryna find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus. I think out loud, what comes out my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm sold it. Soon come out with a custom clothing. Fuck's sake, you must be joking. Sid's outside of the cup patrolling. How did they know about the ins and outs? Somebody must have told them. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut through with the local tugs. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue tryna find them clues in the station, problem solving. See, don't do no fraud, that trap, say yo to the local cat. See me on the road all black, my foot on the gas and I won't fall back. Bro, been in the jail and he won't go back. I fuck their hoes and he DJ Crash.
Listen, no BXB when I mush hard rock, I put blades in brown. Less live in the beef, pagans can't circle around. He lack no faces found. We too dumpy, young G's when I works up ops, then perk up the town. Rebrowse, no baseline, ting man dig or we rub man out. We hide from pigs, cause we burst up clowns in my back ping, but I don't have doubts. They try look lit, but they don't have clout. Feel that PR with a different bounce. Ooh, that glizz with a Turkish round. 3-2 or spin, let me learn this round. I heard this chick wanna Birkin now. Girl love chat shit, come and twerk it down, down, down. Let's fry up the beef, cause they chat too loose. Man be off the no proof, the beef goes on now, it's World War II. Re-up, then feed the recruits. Bill up and add blem in my off-white boots. So you got touchdown, who's on the news? Top gear in a drop top up, see me and my boo. Let's fry up the beef, cause they chat too loose. Man be off the no proof, the beef goes on now, it's World War II. Re-up, then feed the recruits. Bill up and add blem in my off-white boots. So you got touchdown, who's on the news? Top gear in a drop top up, see me and my boo. The bacon tribe up and we lurking for ops, so we stop then try and resume. 2 eyes in a room, let's buck it, pick up the ops like which one's who. I was up in the tits trying to dodge curfew. Birds don't get sprayed like my new perfume. Man bully the ops, now Jace wanna take down tunes. Bro, let's like TT come circle, pink or purple returns go be off the Birkles. I'm in an 03 plate on my tugs, man creep on the ops, then see them dispersal. We got real life smoke but your beef looks virtual. Reverse that blow off your app, no Virgil. Go on other hood then circle, the van's got tugs thugs like circles. Should I get Dave Spencer or should I get Schofield? I was locked up eating Peter and Bofield. On the ride out with a mask on boastful. Keep it low, I'm a try-ching and put both. You bend your big back, this Barbie's wrapped around my fingertip. Can't make gal yodel. Man G on it once, now she wanna keep up phone calls. My gang be off and keep off socials. Times man tree her but she gets vocal. Jays won't come to the tea, I'm hopeful. Man been in my spot like decal local. My mother thinks I'm local. Why I get blood pressure when the door knocks cause of popo? If you need more bread, no promo. Up T, fly to up C, thing on the Volvo. Let's wrap the beef cause they chat too loose. Man be off the no proof, the beef goes on now, it's World War II. Re-up then feed the recruits. Bill up and Ablem in my off-white boots. So you got touchdown, who's on the news? Top gear in a drop top up, see me and my boot. Let's wrap the beef cause they chat too loose. Man be off the no proof, the beef goes on now, it's World War II. Re-up then feed the recruits. Bill up and Ablem in my off-white boots. So you got touchdown, who's on the news? Top gear in a drop top up, see me and my boot. DJ Crash.
I'm off the yak, got a lot on my mind. Time is money, and if you don't get it, you're wasting my time. After I fuck, she tryna cuff, bitch, you out of line. Blowing my phone up, calling me crying, get off my line. Cause I am a demon, long as I'm breathing. Don't want your heart, you can keep it. Bitches that tell you they love you, they scheming, capping, don't even mean it. But I don't believe it, all of them treaches, that's why I just fuck it and leave it. I just stay loyal to money and music and all of the guys that I be with. But back to the real, just bought me a vet and still ain't signed to a deal. Niggas be signed and broke, damn, can't even get out of your deals. I'm paranoid, one hand on my gun, other hand on the wheel. Don't like how he moving, tell him to chill, my hitter ready to kill. So stop all that tough shit, black, you only echo for pill. When I hit the bros up, niggas is sober, ready to drill. No, I don't have to, but if I had to, fuck it, I will. And all of them niggas you see me within, you see me with still. The queen of my city, I am a big deal. It's red life for life, but I fuck with the rips still. Glock on my hips still. But when it come to this rat shit, I let my pen spill. They know I've been ill. Hopping them V's, pockets on G's, I'm still good in the P's. Run up a dice game, who got the bank? I'm betting 20 the least. Told her to slide, her hand on my thigh, she feel a brick in my jeans. Tell her mama don't try, I got the stick in my jeans. Somebody BM, hit my DM, I had to leave on scene. And she not a regular bitch, but that don't mean nothing to me. But if you talk about money, then fuck it, cause that means something to me. You gotta get to the bag, fucking with me, fuck do you mean? Hop on a plane, out with the gang, we in Atlanta slide. I hit up one of my hoes when I land, tell her to meet me at high. Foreign cars, big black trucks, we got them hammers inside. And all of my niggas on timing, pussy just know that we got it. Them niggas was trying to rob me, my shooter he cocked it and popped it. Niggas don't know my body, who you thought you was lying? My guys leave you unconscious, dummy, that's not a threat, that's a promise. You see a man that foreign, just know it's some niggas behind it. And it's some hitters beside it. And it's some hitters in front. And they popped up, click on donut, big drum, ready to go. I said it's not what you want. 10 rounds, man, down, fuck it, it's up. I ain't DJ Crash. I'm just shit.
98, that's my fucking number. Clip long that cucumber, make it rain, beat off that thunder. Get chinged at your fucking jumper. Ride that's daily, we live in the field. Glide with the stainless steel. This wap ain't fake, it's real. I feed man buying, watch your boy get billed. Active crasher, peak when I pop up. Swing my sword with man's top up. Anything I do it for the blocker. When we slide in, yeah, we suit up proper. Chase man down, let it beat. Hey, come here. Gotcha, unlimited shells for an upper. Smell of gunpowder when I slap this whopper. I don't know how I got to this, I'm deep in, really gotta rock this quick. Ain't got problem, copping stick. Need more gab to lock this shit. Chilling in the crowds, Pete don't get hit, don't get hit. Run a man down and wet it, 98 bitch, don't ever forget it. It's us man doing it, man stop hating, doing it early. Free up gauges, fuck the net, us man de-blaze it, arm and ready, nothing to play with. Talking badness, show me some faces, you ain't on, I can see it's blatant. Close to the Dutch, what bro defacing.
Bucking to ops and they ducking and diving. These niggas be hiding, the handy be spitting out fire, no fighting. Thunder and lightning, we dishing out call for these uppers that's typing and talking to Trident. Shush on the wash, I'm on nothing but violence, drilling in silence. Bitch, I'm really hood famous, still armed and dangerous. My mum told me I'ma make it, my plug told me be patient. In the dinger with the rollers, I'm a shooter so I'm chauffeured. Automatic with the toasters, lick your head off of your shoulders.
Who do you think's terrorizing? Let's alert, let me throw these two down. And until then, unhappy. They love to mad me, so I'm on back streets trying to mix one with backy. Plan B, get on the back, get stabby. Now it's a 3 double O's with a machine. 3 automatic, he love get crashy. Trap in my hood, get charged like batteries. Late night shifts at Maxis. She attacks me just to let man bag be. I'm at the border, not where it's sandy, so don't get caught in the middle. BG get to work with a chisel. Ran out of film, we ain't making a movie. Now I'm filling my bag with bags from Lidl.
In the dinger, burning tires. 98s with real riders. Bitch, I'm weaving from the wire. Up this burner, let it fire. Jump out the ride, I don't window watch. Man, dump the clip and then I scur off. When guilty early, got a third off. I whip white and get dirt gone. Really got dirt all over the track. Looking like Leo on C. Got mad all in this batch and choppy, capital T. Yeah. Lisa getting a low, stop phoning my phone for free. Stacks I do with few of them lines and countless peas.
Let's go, baby. DJ Craft. Hello, girl, hello, darling. What's your name and what's your number? Beg your pardon. Yeah, heated pool in a big back garden. Crate of beers, I'm sinking them down, but now I'm starving. Up to the shop with a big kebab and a can of lager. Boss man knows me, I'll be back tomorrow. With a stack full of pinkies rolled up, that's for the drop last week. And a couple of shots in the knee, cutting up deals in the business need.
She like me, she want me, she wanna come round and bunk me. Pull up to mine in her husband's car. She want me, she need me, she wanna come round and tease me. Pull up to my midnight half past. She wanna come drink with a geezer, shop with a dealer, ride in a Beamer. She know I got rocks that I sling off the curb, big words in a slick demeanour. Jesus, baby, she be ringing on my phone like crazy. Easy, peasy, big cakes of bacon, I'm greedy.
I came, I saw, I conquered, waking up in my Gucci boxes. Couple of jabs with a 1-2 bang, I'll knock your block off. Yeah, fling balls like Frederick Flintoff. Clean shot, make a man dance and I don't need TikTok. And that's them loons, and that's them jewels, and that's that bright. And that's that swing, and that's that left, and that's my right. Yeah, scope my man's head with me sniper sight. That's right, then it's pie and a fag and a dance on a Friday night.
In a big Beamer, shoot shots on the man and the cool cleaners. There's been a little spill on that block we was last week where the boys put them feelers. I just wanna bust shots on the block, Jesus. I just wanna whip white while I smash cans. I just wanna whip round with a few shooters. I just want a few pints and a few fags. Big 16s and I blew that. Now son, you don't wanna do that. Son should've known I'm a big deal. Son should've run when he threw that. Yeah, pull up outside and the man gets fried. I'm banging that mash like English breakfast. Might just smash this car in the shop window. Why'd I give up? This one's rented. Yeah, Pete, chuck a sec, Kane. Well, fumes roll us a fag, will ya? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in spoons of a tune on a jukebox. Birds been shaking the bunda, making me crazy. If a girl keeps going like this, then I'm taking her home and we're making babies.
Now I don't mean to be rude, but this party's dead and I'm feeling wavy. So I might just slide to the cab, grab Sandra, Babs and Casey.
Come on then mate, let's jump in the cab, tell Mo to go faster. I'm on boxing the Uber, if he complains I'm punching the bastard.
Spill drink everywhere and then my phone start pass me the bleeding charger. Smoking a bit for the finest grade, now my head's twisted like a rasta.
I'm better the week with a cigarette lit when I'm out on the street. They want Miss Carter, grab that man and I'm shaving his head like a fucking
They cannot jump, they can't. Them niggas scared, you know what really be on. Bitch, look, take me to your king. I do not deal with the pawns. My heart cold, all of my feelings is cold. 2 hands, I'm willing to jump. I tell the bitches to chill in the car. I look at her body, it's damn me hard. You with a friend, I need a Nicki Minaj. Hit him low, and we can take it where you willing to go. Bitches dying to chill with the bros. You get killed for stealing the phone. Formula, and I'm only trying to warm them up. Kill a nigga, I'm warning ya. You went on the drill, it was more than fun. You don't wanna go to war with us. We told them up, and we ain't never even bought it up. This is the new me, unruly. Everywhere I go, a movie. Every bitch I meet a groupie. Look, every car I'm in a two-seat. Yeah, slide on, you know Tusi. This is the new me, unruly. Everywhere I go, a movie. Every bitch I meet a groupie. Look, every car I'm in a two-seat. Yeah, slide on, you know Tusi. Welcome to the rucker. You bowling stupid motherfuckers. I only do it for my brothers. We see it out, we make them suffer. Yeah, and that's more than my mother. If you can sign up for the Illuminati, then I need me a number, little bitch. No, you cannot touch it. Nah, I am a Glock tucker. Bust shots on your block. My niggas is block huggers. When we was broke, they did not love us. They fell in love with the block huggers. We throwing bullets, they not rubber. This is the new me. Unruly. Everywhere I go, a movie. Every bitch I meet a groupie. Look, every car I'm in.
Day in the life, let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto-tune. Let's hear how you really rap. Ha ha. Send a location. Can't burn up, boy, if you're bad, let's see. Your dad left home from young and you ain't done shit for your mum. Oh man, oh man. How you relying on man like gal, you're mad. You must have mad. You ain't never sat in a trap with a pack, hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag. Can't keep track, been in the trap, it's hard, I can't keep up. Selling them party drugs, I'm the one that got the party ton. Everyone say they T. Fascinated by the trap, I might put the band on Airbnb. Leave me a good review next time you come get some, get one for free. Who's that with her hair on fleek? She made me beat my horn is peak. I try stay low in the cheap, low key, discreet. The feds ain't dumb, they know what gone, but the young G's too naive. Little bro got nicked 2 times this week, Freedom's priceless, not cheap. Fuck you, pay me, got booking fee plus VAT. R.I.P. A1, it's sad that he didn't see 18. Day in the life, let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto-tune, let's hear how you really rap. Ha ha, send a location. Can't burn up, boy, if you're bad, let's see. Your dad left home from young and you ain't done shit for your mum. Oh man, oh man. How you relying on man like gal, you're mad. You must have mad. You ain't never sat in a trap with a pack, hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag. Can't keep track, been in the trap, it's hard, I can't keep up. Selling them party drugs, I'm the one that got the party ton. Bro, I'm going on dumb, I won't leave that trap alone. Come like I'm young in love. Got a toxic relationship with Stacey, but she won't cut me off. Can't be breaking even no more, Brody, I must see prof. Came to the band all healthy, left with a dusty cough. Loving the goldish rose, like the England rugby top. These bitches life, relationship advice, don't trust these spots. Everyone talks gun pumpy, but in a real life, no gun beat off.
Get me? Look.
Keep the convo brief, say no more my G. Don't you know that
listen,
talk is cheap? Like my girl,
I walk in the spot, 30 on me and some chops. All my niggas really rock. Roll, control. Shamalayos, you know how my niggas move. But I ain't moving, I'm rolling and I'm shooting. I said, baby, it's crazy. I be really with them killing niggas and them drilling niggas and we back. In the floors, get you off. I don't do this too much. I just took that took. Give me talk back too. What's the word? What y'all wanna do? Empty out the clip. I'm with the Crips, neighborhood shit. All of my niggas, they on shit. I ain't gotta be on, bitch. Hold on, I be so gone. Call up that boy YJ, gripping on the tool. He gon' break the rules. Boy, you a fool, you a fool. I said Mad Max, he a demon. He let llamas fly. So, one call, that boy built for homicide. I ain't already, stay steady. Don't gotta say too much. I was in a pen with a couple killer niggas and I stay toothed up. I could get you shot, get you packed up, huh? That's on the set. I ain't gotta say too much, and I just let that bitch off. Stupid nigga, what you talking for? I am really in these streets, and I won't say no more. Hold on, shake it, huh? I said just shake it. All this money that I'm making, bad bitches and they cake it. Ass fat, huh? Heard that bad bitch was Jamaican. Put it in her place, put it in her face. Hold on, she was so wet. Grabbed on the tech, now I gotta lift a nigga up, leave his brother upset. Heard that little nigga telling, huh, I'm a felon, but I ain't even gon' act like I'm playing with a nigga, I'ma get him. I'm nasty, bad bitches and they classy, they ain't trashy. Ask me anything you really want, I'ma let him up, I'ma go dumb, huh. I do this shit for fun. Tell them niggas check in with me, cause I keep a gun. Huh? You cannot play 38, let it spring.
Gun for every gun lean on the beat as well. For everyone, boys and girls, flick your shoulder, use them well. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Gun lean, remix. Take your time, don't cat feel it. Squeeze the mash like I squeeze tits. Dig a deep roll Pyrex whip. Not your average rental links. Lamborghinis, golden whips. Rush with a rush gun lean with chip. Left, right near girlfriend wet like I feel met Lady Gaga. Little man, I'm your father. In the flesh, ain't on nada. Free my bro, please get smarter. Bad man, don't mad man, it's long. Jet Li ting man, ching then chong. Who's that pen browning? She's ton. Come baby, come and ride this trunk.
Grab him. Slap too mad, don't mad him. You bust a left and a right and a right and a fence and a left. Man, I thought I just had him. Active, don't mad me, get tanning. Active, don't mad me, get shot. Live all like Magnums and Glocks. Still do it like Bush did. Raffia, homies in the box. This said lay off that chalice. Run down, then baked in palace. And I don't care what anyone says. Babes, if you hold this stick, you're the baddest. How many times have I done it on my ones? 2 or 3 men see me step with guns. 4 doors, papa see legs and bums. Bin hoes fast, you see man done.
Gun lean, man, gun lean. Gun lean on the beat as well. For everyone, boys and girls, flick your shoulder, use them well. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Call me Godfather or damn.
gun lean on every up block, that's facts. Still pull up with K, all K-men, all will trap, that's cash or wax. It's far from a joke when you see me in a big jacket. I'm nothing like Shaq, black on black. Me plus bro, that's wax on wax, hit chest and back. Man lean with it, 4-4 H, just clean with it. I was in the trap, not Carney, just like Taze, no deal, straight cream in it. Spot that, grab that, take that, what? How you stunt on gang with a brand new watch? When it comes to South London, LD's got a top 3 spot.
Digga D, I'm a one-on bandit. Heard a new match just landed. G's, cop it, chop it, sand it, hand it. The verbal thing, I can't stand it. Wife and 2 got time when I banged it. Mad thing, got a conspiracy case in the silliest place. They're saying I planned it, damn it. Back when I felt I'm landed. You ain't been in the hood like Robin. I ride in hoods tryna leave man red. The sweets are goldy, YOLO drops and locks, no dread. No porkies, pepper them pigs if they chase this pet. Gal tryna give man noddy, she ain't got balls in her tongue, that's
gun lean, man, gun lean. Gun lean on the beat as well. For everyone, boys and girls, flick your soda, use them well. Left, right, left, right, left. Right.
Talking lows, they ain't better than me. They can never be Miss B. I stopped chicken at Addison Lee. Your salary couldn't cover my fee. From 09, man, I've been on my grind. Now all my young G's got shine. Got to see dads when I checking my time. That's how you get a gun lean like mine. Lucy, I'm sweeter than juicy. All the boys want do me. All my girls unruly. How you talking that crap, ain't getting no pay. Run that girl down like my name was Renee. You don't want it with I. I'm bad on my J's. Say my name, I'm on my way.
Gun lean on the Rolls Royce, yeah, man, a driver. Passenger seat, that's my #1 striker. You could be 18 yards, 2 guards, pow, there'll be no survivor. Straight to the Clearport, hop on the jet. Go link 50, hop on the set. I keep it humble in these streets. Take kindness for weakness, you will regret. New year, new you, that's just was. Hyper fused, that's just gas. How you got less numbers and you're banged on your social media, that's just brass. Anytime I talk my G, that's cash. Plain Jane APs, yeah, that's flash. You're not trying to flex, 18 years from when you first started, that's just trash.
Gun lean, man, gun lean. Gun lean on the beat as well. For everyone, boys and girls, flick your soda, use them well.